starting to make these two. Got the two ends faced off. This end will be drilled. The 10mm bolt goes through there, and the other end has to have a grease nipple in it. Machining out the other end where the grease nipple goes. I need to thread that 1/8 BSP. I've got these two made. Just need to drill a hole in the side for the grease to come out. The original ones have a groove around them about 6mm wide. I'm not going to put a groove on these because that groove takes about 20% of the surface area of the bush away. So I'm going to drill one hole straight through, 3mm in diameter. So instead of having a groove around, there'll be one hole coming out this side and one hole the other side, and then the grease will spread into those recesses inside the bush. The grease hole in these pins, that's 5mm in diameter. There's no need for it to be that big. I've also got to drill a hole through the ends for the 10mm bolts to go through. Got them threaded for the grease nipples. Also made a new pin to replace this one. This is the one that goes through where the boom meets the kingpost, and it had a bush where the hole in it didn't line up with the grease nipple. So there's no grease nipple in the end. It gets greased from the side. Got to drill a hole through it for a 10mm bolt to go through. Also made another one to replace this. This also had a bush where the hole didn't line up with the grease nipple. And this one needs a slot machine in it for a little plate to go in, stop it dropping out. I've taken 2 cuts and it's working fine. Need to go a bit deeper yet. That's what we're aiming for. I've got the slot done. That plate needs to fit in there. Yeah, that'll be okay. Just setting up the pedestal drill to drill the pins. The hole has got to go straight to the middle. So I'm using 2 V-blocks which are clamped on to this straight edge. The straight edge is clamped to the drilling table. I'm using a 4mm drill to centralise the V-block. That 4mm drill goes into the dead centre. So I'll lay the pins in there. and that drill should go through the middle. Now I've got the straight edge in the right place, I can slide that V-block just away from the drill, so the drill goes down just down the inside. Got all the holes drilled, 10.2mm for the bolt to go through, 3mm hole straight through for the grease to come out, countersunk the hole to let the grease spread as it comes out. That's the other one, and that's the one that goes across where the boom meets the king post. That's all the pins and bushes ready for the king post. New grease nipples,